Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this pretty cool bug catcher microscope kit. So first off, this does attach, and then right here you can catch bugs in this little enclosure using this little section right here. So that's cool, you can actually catch live bugs with this. But let's take a look at this because this is the most powerful thing. So this is actually electronic. If you turn it on here, you're going to see a bright light from right here. And then you're looking at a microscope right here. So for an example, let's go ahead and check out this dragonfly wing. So you take the slide, put it underneath the scope, and boom, there you can see we are very zoomed in on it right there. And you can also adjust the focus. So let me get it back on here. So right now we're at 100x. Now we're at 200x, 300x, and it still remains in focus. 400x, 500x, and then it goes back to 100. So this little scope can go 500x and allow you to see some very small and cool features. I mean, at 500x, you're getting very small. So a very cool little tool, a good thing to teach kids about bugs and other things like that. It does come with a couple test slides here. You have the dragonfly wing, the honeybee wing, and then the butterfly wing. So two parts to it. This also does have a picture feature as well as an SD card that you can actually save your images to, which I think is pretty cool. Overall, a very cool device, and definitely check it out, guys.